Hello and Tashidilag everyone. Welcome to Tibetan with Norbu. I am Norbu Shastri. In today's lesson, we are going to learn honorific terms for body parts in Tibetan. Lubyo chashi ki shese thangi khak. Okay, let's start. So here the left side one is the general and the right side one is the honorific. Body, sukpo, sukpo, kusuk, kusuk, hat, go, go, u, u, hair, ta, ta, uta, uta, face, tongpa, tongpa, shelre, shelre, ears, nachok, nachok, nyenchok, nyenchok, eyes, mik, mik, chen, chen, nose, nakuk, nakuk, shang, shang, mouth, ka, ka, shell, shell, lips, chuto, chuto, shelchu, shelchu, teeth, so, so, them, them, tongue, che, che, jack, jack, neck, ke, ke, gül, gül, mind, sempa, sempa, thuk, thuk, hand, lakpa, lakpa, chak, chak, fingers, zubmo, zubmo, chakzup, chakzup, leg or foot, kangpa, kangpa, shap, shap, feet toes, kangzup, kangzup, shabzup, shabzup. Alright, so that's all for today's lesson. Thank you, Tujiche, Jelajeyong.